And I think it's pretty spacious, like to cook, like we have enough counter space. This is actually my favorite corner in the van because it looks cute. This is something that if we build another van, a shower is going. I don't care. I don't care what you say.
If you're interested in it, just go for it. Just do it. I had my doubts at the beginning, and now I'm full force embracing it.
Hi, I'm Shay.
I'm LA.
And this is our son Lucas, and this is our tiny home on wheels. Welcome to our van. Her name is Scarlet, and this is our kitchen. We have an extendable table just so we can have more space for prep. We have this 360 faucet, that way we can take showers outside in case we need to. We have a deep sink and also a water filter over here. We have 35-gallon fresh water in the back. Underneath the sink, we have a 6-gallon for the gray water. And here we have cleaning supplies, trash can, and Lucas' spray bottle. He loves taking showers here, and he also loves the deep sink. Over here in the first drawer, we have utensils. And over here, we have more kitchen stuff. They all lock, that way when we are driving, they don't go fly open. On this side, you have our toiletry cabinet. Here we have everything you need to get ready in the morning. You name it, it's there. And over here we have our fridge. It is from Truck Fridge. It's a 12-volt, so it's pretty good. We can't complain. It's pretty spacious for us. I think it holds maybe 2 weeks of grocery here. And of course, you gotta lock the doors because you know what's gonna happen. For cooking, we have a stove top that we put here, and it's a 2-burner and it works great. We love it so far, no problems. And I think it's pretty spacious, like to cook, like we have enough counter space. And when we are cooking, we turn the fan on and put it on extract mode. That way we don't get all the fumes in here. And underneath this beautiful butcher block, we have our bathroom, our shower, our laundry area, everything we can fit in here. There you have it, it's right here. We have a Trelino compost toilet. This toilet, we love it so far. And this converts into a shower. And the shower is a 24/32. And we have hot water, so I love this shower. We didn't add a shower head because we thought it was gonna be a waste of water. So we have an attachment that we put in our kitchen faucet, and that way we can control the water very good. This is something that if we build another van, a shower is going. I don't care. I don't care what you say. We've been living in this van for 90 days, full time. This is a 250 Ford Transit, 148 wheelbase, and we've been calling home this beautiful place that we built with no experience at all, just with the help of YouTube videos. And I am very proud of us, let me tell you that. The van cost how much did it cost?
$17,500.
And we spend pretty much like
around 30.
Yeah, we love it. We can't complain. In this area, I have my computers for work, and back here there is a 110 outlet, and then another USB back here to charge cameras, laptop, or anything like that. And over here, this is like my arts and craft drawer. This is how old we are. And over here we have Lucas' cage. Lucas is an African Grey. He's 19 years old. He's been with me since he was a baby. He goes everywhere with us, and we knew that building a van means that we have to have a space for him, for sure. All right, this is our electrical panel and also where I usually put my hat. We have the AC remote here and dimmable lights, and also our water pump switch. This is actually my favorite corner in the van because it looks cute. If I'm making a video, I'll sit here and it looks cute. All right, so welcome to our bed. This is a 6-inch mattress. It's custom made, so we have to send our measurements for us to get the mattress just like what we wanted, we needed. So this is it. It works perfect. It's super comfortable. This van is perfect for us. We're not too tall, so when we lay down, even if I don't remove all the pillows, like we don't touch the walls. So I think it's perfect. On this side, we have these 360 fans. These fans, I can put them all over the van. They work perfect. Like, I love them. On top of me, we have this beautiful 12-volt AC unit from Mabru. It works great. And over here, this is my walk-in closet. I don't need half of this clothes. In reality, I use whatever is on the top. That was one of my main concerns, like what am I gonna wear? Like where am I gonna storage all my stuff? But I like living simple now, and I can wear the same t-shirt 5 days in a row. If it doesn't smell, who cares? I don't care anymore. We actually started testing the waters with a SUV. We converted a Ford Expedition and we went on a road trip and we loved it. He said that he needed more space and I'm like, maybe we need a van. So yeah, we sold our food truck and the house and we bought the van and we converted this baby in our tiny home on wheels.
It's been a little bit of a struggle as far as the size goes, because we had a lot of stuff.
And the house was pretty big.
Yeah.
But
we managed. We sold everything and we shrink.
We shrink our lives. I love this lifestyle. I can't complain about anything. Even if I'm in the city and I'm locked in here 24/7, I'm okay. I'm happy. I'm like, this is my life. Yeah, hell yeah. All right, welcome to our garage. We have an outdoor shower. We keep it here. That way it's ready to rinse the rods and everything when we come back from the beach. Let's see, over here we have 5-gallon water heater. This girl needs hot showers for sure. We have another closet. LA works in office, so he needs his scrubs ready to go. And on this side is where we have the battery bank. We have 540 amps of lithium batteries with Battleborn. They are the game changer and we love them. And this actually is the one thing we didn't build. We took the van to an awesome family company called Our Van Quest, and they're pretty awesome. They did this in like 2 days. We didn't want to risk it with electrical stuff, and yeah. I think we have plenty of storage. We don't have much. This is pretty much everything we own. And we also keep Luca's travel backpack here. He goes everywhere with us. So even into a restaurant, yeah, I'm that mama. He's going with me. You can follow our adventures on the road in all social media platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, as Los Boris on the road. That's it. Thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy this tour, and don't forget to follow us for more adventures on the road.